This is a 1956 Lincoln Premier Convertible. Beautiful car, a light blue color, great hood ornament, full wheel covers and wide white walls. This is the first year for Lincoln's wraparound windshield. 1955 was still essentially an updated 54 model. Notice the fender skirts. I like the interior, very light tan color. Goes very nicely with the blue. I love the dashboard on these cars too, and notice the controls for ventilation. Definitely getting away from dials, moving more to an aeronautical type control. This is one big car, as you can see. It's huge. There are still medieval elements to these decorations, to the ornamentation. Knights, and here we go. It's an auction car at Amelia Island, and I looked it up and it sold for $86,240 was the bid price on it. Very nice indeed.